In Excel, there are times where you want to center data over your columns. So for example, we want to center this title and this sort of subtitle over our columns of data, which is in columns A through E. The first thing you need to remember is that when you highlight your data for the Merge and Center, you will highlight the cells where you want to center that data. So in this case, I want to center row 2, this cell, over A2 to E2. That's where I want to center that title. After you've done that, go to Merge and Center, and there are some options here. If you just want to merge the cells without centering, for example. So I'm going to Merge and Center, and then I'll do the same for the other one. Now when you do this in Excel, it will combine all of those cells into one large cell so that it can center the data across that large cell. So it's fairly straightforward to do. I'm going to click on Undo. You also need to remember that, let's say for example I want to do these both at the same time. If I click on Merge and Center, it's going to say it's going to discard part of this because it doesn't know what to center over A2 to E3. If you click on OK, you can see it uses only that first title. The other title has been deleted. So when you want to do separate lines like that, you have to highlight them and Merge and Center separately.